this looks like a yummy taco, Ryan. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, wait a minute, Ryan. What is this? What's in my taco?
What? How'd Spider-Man get there?
Welcome to Ryan Toyville.
Hi, Ryan.
Hi.
Ooh, what are we playing with today?
We're playing with Play-Doh Kitchen.
Cool.
And we're gonna make food for all these superheroes.
That's right. We have the Hulk, Iron Man, Spider-Man, Batman, and Superman. So we have this fun Play-Doh kitchen set. Ooh, yeah, you can make a full meal here. You can make some tacos, some pancakes, some cinnamon rolls, some steaks.
Some dessert.
Some dessert, yeah, some cookies.
Here's everything that's included.
Wow, that's a lot of things. Ooh, you can make some steak and some chicken.
Virgo, I think this is gonna be yummy. It comes with 4 Play-Doh cans, and look at this. It comes with green, yellow, white, and brown.
But we got some extra.
Just in case.
That's right, just in case.
It also comes with some recipes.
Ooh.
Let's use the recipe. Let's see what I want to make. Oh, I'll make this one.
That one, bacon.
Anyone want bacon?
Ooh, I do. Who's that? I do, Ryan. Spidey wants some bacon, please.
Okay. First, I need to make orange and white balls. Also, when you take this out, it becomes a roller.
Oh, that's awesome. Roll.
For sure, this looks all matched up. Whoa!
Ooh, that's a cool circle.
I got a white ball and a white ball now. All I need is to make an orange ball. They have to be same size. Now it's time to flatten it. White.
Orange. White. Nice.
Let's put it into the mold. It's gonna look so funny.
Oh, are you done yet, Ryan?
Almost.
Almost. Ooh, I'm excited.
Does it smell good? Whoa, this is hard.
It doesn't even look like bacon.
And also it's coming out of the circle.
Is that supposed to be bacon, Chef Ryan?
Yeah, it's supposed to be bacon. Here you go, Spidey. Here's some bacon. And here's a drink.
Oh, thank you. Some Play-Doh drink.
It's a strawberry drink.
Oh, thank you. They look delicious, Ryan. Yum, 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 yum.
Now let's put on the frying pan. I'm gonna make it more hot so it can steam. Okay. It's all done. Oh.
Oh. I think my bacon's a little dirty. Thank you. Can you feed it to me? Oh, it's stuck on the plate. Thank you, Ryan. Yum, 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 yum. Hulk smash, I do.
What do you want?
Let's see what looks yummy around here. Let's see. Ooh, what about some chicken and what about some steak, Mr. Chef Ryan?
Okay. I'm gonna make some special chicken steak for you so you can defeat the bad guys.
Thank you. I do need energy to defeat the bad guys.
Ooh. Cut, 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 cut. Okay. Now I need bread out. Okay. All I need is a little bit. 1, 2.
Mr. Ryan,
Huh?
why is the steak green?
Because it's special.
Oh, a special.
Let's mix the colors.
Oh.
It's gonna be super duper mega special. Oh,
You gonna help? Thank you, Batman. How nice of you to help.
let's see what it looks like first. Whoa! I know what I need for that. Hey, look, kids. Look, one's red on one side, green on the other side.
That's a funny looking chicken.
I'm gonna bake some chicken and steak.
Ooh. I can't wait. All right, let's turn it on.
I think it's done. I can see it. Whoa!
Oh, what happened? It just turned into a taco. I thought it was some steak and chicken. Batman, did you do something to my food? This looks different.
No, but I don't know why it's different.
It's okay. Tacos looks good too. Let me take a bite. This looks like a yummy taco, Ryan. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, wait a minute. Ryan, what is this?
Huh?
Ryan?
Huh?
What's in my taco?
What? How'd Spider-Man get there?
Yeah. Spidey, what are you doing in my taco? Shh. Okay, Ryan, it's my turn. What are you gonna make for me?
Hot dogs.
Ooh, I love hot dogs. Oh, there it is.
Okay. Is it a hot dog?
Ooh.
That's the one I can squeeze.
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
I made a sausage.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, Aunt, that's great. It's the same size.
Cool. What? A hot dog in the oven? Are you sure?
Yeah. I think the food's ready.
I'm
Oh no,
excited. What? What?
it exploded.
Oh, exploded? Ryan, what happened to my hot dog?
It exploded.
Oh, it's okay. It still looks yummy. I'll still eat it. Yum, 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 yum.
Batman and Iron Man, what do you guys want?
I want some French fries, and I would like some toast, please, because I haven't ate breakfast yet.
Okay. Does it look like French fries?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. French fries. I don't have any oil, but I'll grill you on the French fries.
Okay. It's okay. It's more healthy without oil.
It's ready. Oh.
Ooh, thank you. Hey.
It's dirty.
Yeah, I don't want bacteria. Yummy. Thank you, Ryan.
Okay, I'll pour some water on it.
Oh.
Toast coming right up. Put some bread. Oh look, the bread became a different color.
Ooh,
Burnt bread.
yeah. It looked a little burnt. But it's okay. I'll still eat the burnt
Hey,
bread.
why are we eating it right now?
Oh, I couldn't wait. I'm just too hungry. Oh. Ooh, thank you, Ryan. This is some yummy chocolate bread.
I gotta make some even more bread.
Okay. Thank you for making it small for me, easy for me to eat. Yum, 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 yum.
Thank you for joining me and making the food for the superheroes. Bye!
Bye!